my gosh. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful hairstyle. If you guys are interested in seeing, you know what? Like this video. Give this video a like before we even get started, because as you can see, I killed it. Period. So go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm not gonna hold y'all up on this intro. If you guys are interested in seeing this video, go ahead and keep on watching. So this hairstyle is gonna be so easy and so inexpensive. What I'll be using in this video is some synthetic pre-stretched hair that I just got from my local beauty supply store, and it's usually around like $2 to $3, so very, very inexpensive. And I'm just going to keep the rubber band that it comes on attached to the actual bundle of hair, and I'm just going to pin it on my wall so that I can braid it down. So I measured the braid on my head, and I just realized it was just going to be too short of a ponytail for me. So I wanted it to be not so long, but a little bit longer than what it was. So I took another pack of this synthetic pre-stretched hair. I cut it in half. So I had to fray the ends. That's what you see me doing, just so it can it won't be so blunt at the ends, so that I can make the ponytail a little bit longer. So that's all I'm doing here. Now, I'm going to try not to talk so much throughout this video, because y'all say that I talk a lot and I be messing up the music, and y'all know y'all like y'all kiki wise. So I'm just going to explain the parts that I feel that needs to be explained. Then we're going to start forming the braid on how we want it to look. We're just going to pull it apart. You don't want to pull it like too hard and too loose, but you don't want it to be like a very, very tight braid. I want this to be like those butterfly braids that were in style. I'm not sure if you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'm just going to pull the braid apart and just make it a little bit wider. And then I just attached a little, I'm not sure what these things are called. This voiceover is just... I attached some rods to the end of the braid, and then I took this extra piece of hair and I'm just riding it because I don't have any curly hair. So we're going to do this the cheap way, and I'm just going to make this hair curly on my own. So that's all I'm doing. And I boiled some water, and then I just put it in this coffee pot. I just didn't want to mess up any of my cups or anything, so I just put it in the coffee pot. And it may not look like the water is hot, but it is boiling hot water. So you want to make sure that you use boiling hot water to do this, so that the hair can form, because this is synthetic hair. So yeah, I just used some boiling hot water to make my curls form. For people that are just natural and don't like adding anything extra in their hair, this part of the video is for you. So this is going to be like a two-way video, a if or and type of video, so you can do either or. So basically what I mean is, I'm just going to style the front of my natural hair so that it can look cute in the front with this braid. But if you just want to style the front of your hair and wear a ponytail, then you can do that as well. So I did these smaller braids on the side off camera, and my boyfriend is gonna always make his way in this video. I'm going to braid my natural hair to the scalp. I'm not going to add any weave or anything in it because I wanted this to look very natural and just pretty and sleek. Y'all, my arms was hurting so bad right here. Like you can just see it all over my face. I hate braiding my own hair. If you guys do your own hair, you know what I'm talking about. Holding your arms up just for so long, they be burning. Comment down below if you experienced that when doing your hair. Now that we got our braids out the way, we're going to start on the sides. Now this is just going to be the aesthetic of the hairstyle. We're going to make like these little crisscross boxes. I don't know. I don't know what to call it, but we're going to use rubber bands to create this look. And I just think it's so cute and so fun. So that's why I did this, so that it won't be so plain. So I'm just putting a little jam around the edges, and then I'm just putting rubber bands. I'm gonna do 3 boxes for each row, so I'm gonna do 3 rows with 3 boxes, if that makes sense. So y'all see I left my edges out, and I know they look so bad right now, but I'm gonna fleek them. Don't worry, but I got to have my edges, or should I say baby hairs, because hunty, they be slayed. Every night is something new, your touch is not the same. You get me excited, surprised every day. I can't wait for you to put your hands. Although there's no right or wrong way to do this when making the crisscrosses to create this style, I just always make sure that all of my braids connect and they're actually making crosses. If that makes sense, you can see what I'm talking about. Like, I just don't want them going anywhere. So the way that I connect them, I make sure that they look like X's in my head. It's so cute. I love it. You feel it too. Baby, I want it. I know you want it too. So now that I just jammed my hair up, I'm going to put it into a ponytail. And this is what I'm talking about. Like, if you just want to stop here, you can. This is a cute look. I actually wear it like this on a daily. So this is cute, fun, easy, and you don't have to do nothing to your hair when you wake up in the morning. So I just braided down the ponytail. You want to make sure that you braid it really tight and get your bun a little bit small, because you don't want it to be bulky when you add the braid on top of it. Now this is our braid and the little curls we created, and I'm just going to take the rollers out of it, and the curl is just so cute. Like, we made that ourselves, sis. And again, you're going to keep the rubber band that came up on the little bundle in the pack, and you're going to wrap that around your bun, and you're just going to spread the hair out around your bun so that you don't see your bun, and then you're going to add some bobby pins to keep it in place. Now we're just going to loosen the braid a little bit more just to create the butterfly braid effect. And now we're just going to unravel all of our rods, and then we're going to crochet the little curls. Well, I cut off the pieces. I didn't show that part, and I didn't notice that I didn't show it. But I cut off the little pieces. You could tell where it wasn't curled. I didn't go all the way up with the rod. So I cut off the pieces that weren't curled, and I only used the curled pieces and just added some jewelry. How did I do? How did I do? I already know. Smash that like button, because y'all know I killed it. Period.
Go ahead and rate this look 1 through 10, 10 being the prettiest. Comment down below some video ideas or anything that you guys want to see me do or talk about. Go ahead and leave those down below in the comment section. Follow me on social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MieshaLave _. I will have all of my social media accounts linked down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.